गोवा में आज शिक्षा जगत के लिए ऐतिहासिक दिन रहा। पीएसईटी फाउंडेशन ने गोवा सुपर 100 छात्रवृत्ति पहल की शुरुआत की है, जिसका उद्देश्य है गोवा के मेधावी छात्रों को उच्च शिक्षा के लिए छात्रवृत्ति देकर उनके भविष्य को सशक्त बनाना। इस अवसर पर अभिनेता सोनू सूद और अनुपम खेर मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में शामिल हुए। मंच पर पीएसईटी फाउंडेशन के संस्थापक और शिक्षा सुधारक डॉक्टर अश्विन फर्नांडिस भी मौजूद थे। आयोजकों का कहना है कि यह पहल गोवा के शैक्षिक परिदृश्य में एक क्रांतिकारी बदलाव लाएगी, जिससे राज्य के हजारों छात्रों को सीधे लाभ मिलेगा।
I think it's a very, very special day, and congratulations to Ashwin Bhai for making this happen. I think we need more individuals like him who think of giving back to the society. Goa has been one place where a lot of, hope people have, but we need individuals who can change that life. And I think with Goa Super 100, PAC Foundation has done a phenomenal job, all thanks to Ashwin Fernandez Bhai, who's been, doing so much for the Goa soil. And I just wish him all the best and just keep on bringing those needy smiles.
Really happy to be here at the foundation, second foundation day of this amazing PAC Foundation that Dr. Ashwin Fernandez has started. It's very important to help children who don't have a very good financial background. I was also from a similar kind of a school, and there were donors, there were people who help people. I have my own Anupam Kher Foundation. We sponsor a lot of children, and my only request is when these people go abroad, these children go abroad for higher studies, they need to come back to India and serve in India and create example for other people also.
So PAC Foundation has been working towards the development of schools and education in Goa. We are a foundation which is actually supporting marginalized schools by providing infrastructure, looking at enhancing the student learning outcomes. We have been doing several projects, both government and private schools, supporting the children to be able to be happy, because when they're happy, they'll be able to, of course, be better students, better learners. And as part of this support which we're doing to the community, to the marginalized section of the society, we are launching the Goa Super 100, which is, of course, a natural transition from schools into higher education, to be able to empower our Goan youth to aspire to go and learn from the best university.